Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a drawstring backpack. For kids, it has a monster face, and this bag is about 14 inches wide and 15.75 inches high. This bag is made using boucle yarn, so if you haven't had experience with this yarn, please note that it's not an easy yarn to work with. So maybe you can choose some other worsted weight yarn. I use this yarn called Snuggly. It's a medium worsted weight or category 4 yarn. You'll need about 330 to 335 meters of this yarn and a 5 mm crochet hook. Apart from that, you will also need some more yarns for eyes and mouth, white, red, black and blue, and I use this green yarn for sewing, and you will need a 4 mm crochet hook. You'll also need measuring tape, yarn needle and a couple of tiny white beads, and I use this macrame cord for the drawstring. You'll need 2 cords, each measuring about 45 inches, and you will also need scissors. Using the boucle yarn and 5 mm crochet hook, make 46 chains. Make a slip knot first and then work 46 chains. It's not very easy to work with this yarn, so if you are a beginner, I wouldn't recommend it. You can go for an ordinary worsted weight yarn if you're a beginner. After making 46 chains, work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and then rest of the chains across. So you will have 45 stitches. Count every stitch because it's very easy to miss out 1 or 2 stitches here and there. Start the next row with chain 1. This does not count as a stitch, and then work single crochet in each stitch across. So in every row you'll have 45 stitches, and continue this until the total length is about 32 inches or 82 centimeters. Once you have completed, fold into half and then close the edges on both the sides using single crochet stitches starting from the bottom and moving up. You'll be working in the wrong side of the bag, so the right side will be inside. However, both the sides are more or less the same, so it doesn't matter which side is wrong and which side is right anyway. So this will be the wrong side. And also at the top you will leave a couple of inches open, so you'll not close till the end. You will leave about 2 inches open at the top. Once you have done, pull the right side out. The open at the top is about 2.5 inches. Now we'll attach the drawstrings. I used macrame cord of about 3 mm thickness. You will need 2 cords measuring about 45 inches long. Now place the center part of the 2 cords like this on one side at the top and fold encasing the 2 cords inside. And then sew it. I am using a normal worsted weight yarn in green for that, along with my yarn needle. Okay, one side is done. I am picking one end of cord number 1 from my left hand side and bringing it to the opposite side of the top part of the bag. Then I'll pick up the end of cord number 2 from my right hand side and bring it to the opposite side of the bag. The cords now are in opposite directions. Fold the edge in and sew it, encasing the 2 cords within it. Before sewing the edge, you can use pins to hold it in place. This would be easier. Then we'll close the gaps at the edges. Adjust the length of the cord so that both are of equal length on both the sides. Now I'll insert both ends of the cords on each side into the bottom corner. You can use your hook to pull the cords through the corner. Now knot the ends of the cord together. Make 2 or 3 more knots so that it's big enough that it doesn't come through the corner gap. Repeat it on the other side. As an added measure, you can also sew the knot to the bag so that it doesn't come off. Now let's make the eyes. Using black, make a magic ring and then work 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the free end of the yarn to tighten the ring. Then join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. In the second round, work chain 1 and then 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So you'll have 12 single crochets. Work 2 more rounds of increase. So in the fourth round, you'll have 24 stitches. In the next round, which is the fifth round, pull blue through the loop, tighten the loop and then start working using the blue yarn, chain 1 and now work single crochet in 3 stitches. 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around, working single crochet in 3 stitches followed by 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and in this round you'll have 30 single crochets. Work one more round of increase using blue, then pull white and work one round of increase, and then in the next round you'll work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So in the final round you'll have 42 stitches. Then I'll sew these tiny white beads to the black parts of the eyes. For the mouth, using black, make a few chains to measure about 7 inches. Then work single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each chain across. Then for the tongue, work 6 chains using red. Then single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in rest of the chains across. Chain 1 and turn and repeat the row 5 times. Then chain 1 and turn, single crochet 2 stitches together, single crochet in the next stitch, again single crochet 2 stitches together. So in this row you have 3 stitches. Then chain 1 and turn and work single crochet 3 stitches together. Then cut the yarn off. Then join yarn at one end at the top and work single crochet around. Then to the black stripe that we worked for the mouth, attach white in any stitch at one end for teeth. Chain 1 and work single crochet in 2 stitches. Then chain 1 and turn and work single crochet in 2 stitches. Then fasten off. Skip 2 or 3 more stitches and repeat it one more time. Then sew the tongue to the mouth. Then position the eyes and mouth on the bag and sew them.